Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so very much for stopping by. So, this is not a makeup video, but I just hopped in to showcase you some of the product which I have been using too much. So, I thought of sharing that with you. The first product I've been using too much right here is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. This is very affordable option, especially for winters. This gives a very gentle moisturization onto your face, and this cream has vitamin E and jojoba oil, which makes your skin very soft and fresh. And of course, it does, like absorbs very quickly onto your skin, and it's very non-greasy, especially for dry skin like me, or even to combination skin, I guess. I do not know about oily people, but yes, oily people also can use during winters, I guess. This melts into your skin like crazy, and you just have to, it has this scoop thing. You just have to scoop it with your clean hand, rub it into your palm, spray it evenly, and then you're done. The next one, I'm really loving it and I'm using too much, is this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This is for oily to combination skin. Dry skin can also use it, but definitely with moisturization. But why I like this during winters is because winters we hydrate our skin we moisturize. So this sort of a foundation comes really handy, and I've been using this so much. And best part of this is non-transferable, very easily blendable, and best part is you do not need to set this foundation at all. I love it, and I've been using this too very much. Third product I would like to talk about here is Elegirl Brow Pencil, which is like one of the eyebrow product I've been using too much recently. The shade I have here is medium. Now this is like gives you a very natural kind of a coverage, not that bang on kind of a coverage. It comes in this very convenient packaging, like which has a spoolie and all. It helps you to outline you and accentuate your brow shape or the shape of your brows easily. Best part is it glides very evenly on your brows without leaving patches, which most of the eyebrow product does. And I just have to tell you, the cap of that brow pencil is very flimsy. I will not be able to complete this video without this concealer, because this has been with me for 1.5 years or even more, and I really love this particular concealer stick to especially carve out my brows and all. Of course, it does not have that high coverage, but then it looks very natural. It blends beautifully with your fingertips. I really love this to carve out my brows very, very, very much. Because when you carve out your brows, especially your forehead area, it looks very distinctive after you are done, if you know what I mean. But this particular shade does not. This particular concealer does not. It easily melts into your skin. Trust me when I say this. Now, another product I want to talk about is this concealer from Fit Me, which I have been reaching to so very much. The shade I'm here is medium. I just take that much of amount onto the face, and this is such a beautiful, this is a cult favorite amongst everybody. Like, everybody loves it. It is lovely, definitely. It absorbs very well into the skin. Though the quantity is very less, I feel it performs very well for our Indian weather and all. It's very long lasting and does not oxidize at all, and it is non-creasy. So that's the best part about this foundation, and that's all you look for when you buy a concealer. Now, I'll showcase you 3 products side by side. I'll discuss that later, why I love it and why I've been using that too extreme. This is Mini Pony Miniso Range Pore Vanishing Primer, Nykaa Toppy Thrill, and then another one would be this Miss Claire Single Pot Eyeshadow. If you watch my videos regularly, I have never stopped raving about this product because it is so versatile, so convenient, so affordable. It gives you that right amount of warmth onto your face. It's like, it does not look like, what I mean to say is it just gives you the right amount of warmth to your face. If you do not want to contour and look very chiseled and everything, you don't want that sharp cut out look, you just want a warmth back to your face after foundation. Trust me, you buy this, it's 105 rupees or something, you will not regret it, and there is nothing to lose even if you do. Now, I'm sure you will be shocked that I have always didn't like this product at all, but now I know it, where to use it, how much to use it. So I'm loving this one. I'm planning to do a detailed review on that particular compact, and I'm wanting to apologize as well. So yeah, another highlight, of course, every time whenever I do makeup online with my camera, of course I use this one, because normal highlighters does not pop and does not showcase at all, and I really love this highlighter also for wedding season and bright occasions and all. So yes, this is also I've been using very, very much. Another eyeshadow palettes each and every time I've been using to use the dark color, maybe the shimmer or something, is this Beauty Glazed Blowout eyeshadow palette. This is to go for. Another product I've been using too very much is Makeup Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray. First because it is about to expire, I have to finish it, but then I just have to talk about it. Okay, last thing is this Nykaa Top 8 Thrill. This packaging is very luxe. I'm just wanting you to see the lip color. I've been using this too much. They said it is really matte and pigmented, but definitely it is not. It is creamy matte and buildable formula. I love this one and I've been using this too much.